Alright, this is where you gotta come to make copies, or a place to come and make copies. So it might be quicker if I come in and do it as opposed to a national coming in. They might help me quicker. So let's see how that goes. Come in here and make an official copy of my nephew's birth certificate so we could get him enrolled in school today. Get that part going. And let's see. Hello, where can I make copies?
The counter at the back.
Hello. Hello. Oh, there's a line. So I guess I'll be passport photos. Go up. It's called Quick Print Copy Set. Come and get your stationery for school. It's back to school time, so you spend $500 here and you get a free box of chicken. That's pretty cool. Melody. So I guess the line's going to be here, and we'll see. So the line starts here, huh? Oh, okay. The line is there. Pick a number. Do I need to pick a number? I just need a copy. Oh, yes, just a copy.
One copy?
Yes, just one. And not bad. Actually, that was pretty quick. It guided me right to the back from the front service center and get able to do this pretty fast. And that's faster than I thought. Try going to the bank. Yeah. Marlo, have a good day, ladies. No, thank you. No, thank you. Marlo. All right, this place got it all over here. Backpacks back there. This is all for your stationery back to school with supplies. I've never been here before, never knew about this store, but they got gear back there. Not bad. It's a pretty nice store. Everything from shoes back there for rugby, cafe, appliance store, low appliance store. Let me just do a quick walkthrough. Furniture, oh man, beautiful furniture. Never knew this place existed, but now I know if I need stuff, like those refrigerators for my houses, washing machines, I definitely could come and get all my stuff for a kitchen and cooking supplies. Oh, that's not bad at all. Thank you. That's not bad at all. Oh, wait.
It's okay, no worries.
Yeah. You're welcome. You're welcome. Love the smiles here, man. I just love being in the country. You always get smiles. You always get politeness. You know, you give out and get back. And we're good. And back to the car. Back to one step closer to getting my nephew enrolled in school. And he's doing well in school as well. So, good job, boy.
That was quick.
Yeah, it was, because they liked the Palangi video.
I knew it.
All right, so again, home center, back to school. And if you read over here, back on that sign, if you spend over $500 in shopping here for back to school supplies and stuff, they will give you a free box of chicken. So that's also advertising for them. But this is what we needed to do, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.